So first, you need to add your Payoneer account as the bank account, which will become the destination for the money transfer. To do that, click on the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Then select Business option under Account Settings. Then choose the bank account and currencies. You can then add your Payoneer account as the bank account by clicking on Add a Bank Account. Or if you already have the bank account list in the same currency with your Payoneer, then you want to change the current bank to your Payoneer account. Like mine over here in the USD, I already have the bank account. Then you have to click on the edit button to change the bank details. But if you doesn't have any currency that's suitable with your Payoneer currency yet, or you just want to add another currency, then you may click on Add a Settlement Currency and select the currency to be added according to your Payoneer account. Then tap on the Add Currency button. After that, click on this Add a Bank Account or the Edit button. And you can start to enter your Payoneer account holder name, routing number, and account number. And to access that on the Payoneer homepage, after you log in, select the chosen currency to be linked with the Stripe account. For example, I'll choose the US dollar. Then select Get Bank Account Details button and choose the recipient account that you have. After that, you can see your account name, routing number, and your account number. Submit all of those information details in this blank section. Don't forget to enter the account number again and hit the Save button. And just like that, you just successfully connect your Payoneer account to your Stripe. Let's consider the Stripe test bank with the US flag as the Payoneer account. And to make it as the default currency, you can do it by clicking on these 3 points and select Make Default Currency option. Click on Confirm button. And to transfer the money from the Stripe to Payoneer account, you may scroll down on this page until you see the payout schedule, and you may change it to the automatic payout. This way, your payout or your money in the Stripe balance will be sent to your Payoneer account automatically, like on daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. You may select the one you prefer the most. If you choose to be manual payouts, your payout will not be withdrawn automatically, but rather you have to do it manually. I'm gonna show you how to do it in a sec. Let's hit the Save button first. Then click on the balance option at the left side of the screen. So if you already have some money or balance in your Stripe account, which I did right here, 6,000 bucks, then you may see this payout button and you want to click on it to withdraw your money to your Payoneer account. A little window will appear and you may see the available balance that you can withdraw to your Payoneer account. If you do have multiple currency with different balance, you may choose the one you need and start to typing in how much money do you want to do a payout or transfer to your Payoneer. You may add some note for yourself, then click on the payout button. And there you go, you just withdraw or transfer the money from the Stripe balance to your Payoneer account. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.